To perform factory reset on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, we have two main ways that allow us to do so. So the first method is by going to settings. Over here in the settings, we can scroll all the way down and go to system. And then in system settings, you should be able to find reset options where we have erase all data option. Then you should have the summary of everything that will be removed. That is pretty much everything that we have on internal storage. After that, we can press erase all data. You will need to enter the screen lock password if you have one in order to proceed. And remember to always make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose, of course. So this is one of the methods. The second method is by going to recovery mode. And in order to go to recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna press power button and volume up at the same time to open this power menu, and then select power off. Wait for the device to turn off and then press and hold power button and volume up. And keep holding it until you see the bootloader. Let's give it another try. There we go. Now once you see this screen over here, you should be able to press volume up in order to choose the recovery mode. Make sure that these arrows are selected on recovery mode, and then press volume down in order to confirm. After that, after a couple of seconds, the screen should turn dark again, and after a few seconds again, you should be able to see a dead Android logo over here. There we go. Now we need to press and hold the power button, and while holding this button, press volume up. Over here, we are now in the Android recovery. We can use volume up and down in order to navigate in this menu. And of course, we need to select this option, wipe data / factory reset, and we confirm our choice by pressing the power button. After that, choose factory data reset, and once again confirm by pressing the power button. And this is how we can perform factory reset or hard reset of our CMF Phone 2 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!